Okay, so we think g4, g6, we're okay.
Yes.
And also the d5 square is weak.
Yeah,
And look
again,
at
And look at Magnus.
ये
He's
मैंने
like,
क्या किया?
what did I do
ये क्यों
it?
किया मैंने?
Because you know central pawns are good in middle game, but this one there is no time to get the central pawns rolling for black.
But why did Magnus
Yeah.
do that?
No,
Is
it
the
was-
big
To
question.
be honest, I think he just forgot that queen f2 supported this advance from h2
Exactly,
to
he
h4.
forgot. He forgot that.
Yeah.
He forgot, and Arjun did not. And now the pawns are going ahead, and you can see Magnus being like, "Bhai, ye kya ho gaya?" And Arjun as calm
King
as a
c7,
cucumber.
and now rook d2, hitting the e5 pawn. Arjun is on the verge of winning now. Rook d2, he has a winning advantage.
Wow! Just get the rook here and attack this pawn. This is the best
If
move.
you take the d3 pawn after rook e2, e5 is hanging, and will he find it?
Not so easy. Not so
He,
easy.
I think he will.
No, no.
He
Oh,
does.
he finds
does.
it.
He
Oh!
picked up the bow. He's ready to strike.
मजा आ
Great
गया
going,
भाई
भाई.
दोस्तों.
हाँ,
Oh
ये
my
best है,
God.
यही रखते हैं.
And if knight g6 h5, the whole point that we were talking about of this advance of pawn to h4 is that we can kick the knight away from g6.
Let's go.
Boom,
Oh
boom,
my.
boom.
हर्षित भाई भागने की तैयारी.
अरे यार.
वार्म अप शुरू हो गया है उनका. And Arjun Erigasi might beat Magnus Carlsen.
30 seconds for Arjun Erigasi, 26 for Magnus Carlsen, and Arjun is clearly better with plus
Ah.
2.5 advantage, guys.
And look at Magnus, less than 20 seconds now. He's unsure what to do. And you look at him. He's like, ye kya hai?
He cannot
This is just
believe what just happened.
Let's go. He
Queen
takes the
takes
pawn.
d3,
Takes the pawn,
Mara.
takes the pawn. Five. Let's go.
And now f4 is isolated there. White's rook are more active. The white king is safe.
But the
Believe it or not.
we still need to be careful. Arjun as calm as ever. He knows the job is not done yet. Knight g6,
G6.
very important move
Very
now.
quick move. 6 seconds.
बहुत
Magnus
important.
at 1 second.
Rook d5 खेलो.
1 second.
Rook कहाँ d5.
D5. But
नहीं
then
क्या?
good move.
do you lose this pawn?
फिर-
And then rook d1 खेलो.
Ah, not bad.
I don't know, maybe.
Not bad.
Or rook G5 is
Okay,
also a
maybe.
great move.
He plays rook d5 and queen g3. What a find by Magnus. Game is not over yet.
Queen D2 Arjun.
Queen d8. d8.
Rook
मैग्नस को
d1.
हराने के लिए
भाई,
बहुत
बहुत
एक्यूरेट
accurate
होना
है.
पड़ता है.
h5.
Knight f8.
Blunder. Knight e4 खेलो. And
क्या हो रहा है? Queen g4 के बाद
And queen
Knight f6 आएगा. Oh नहीं, rook d7. Wait a second.
knight f6 and then d7 नहीं.
नहीं यार, I think knight d something
But
to do
knight
with
d-
knight d6 and queen on d5. That diagonal.
d4
Tough.
rook g5 and queen,
Queen
d6
d5.
maybe.
Queen d5 सागर.
tough. He
Queen
goes
d7
rook
में
g5.
जा रहा है.
Mistake.
Ooh.
पता है?
This is a mistake.
And Magnus's knight is coming in. 96.
With 2 seconds on the clock. He's still better.
And look
but
at Magnus's face there. He's like
F3
F3. He also
नहीं
doesn't
नहीं
play the best
complicated है
move.
अभी भी बहुत.
94.
खेला
अभी queen d5 96 what's the
And he
plan?
wants to trade the
he
queens.
should trade
Yeah.
it. He
But
does.
trade it,
And
Arju
rook
bhai.
Then
G1.
enlighten, just
मार दो pawn.
And now take this pawn at some point.
and
you
in the
have
end
two
game you have
passers.
that h pawn. If you remember, I had mentioned that
हाँ,
knight
बोला था.
end game वो hero निकल गया.
तूने बोला, तेरी बात मैं हमेशा सुनता हूँ.
H pawn was like the AI. The era is there.
Oh wow. 4,000 people watching, guys. You are witnessing something truly special. Arjun Irigesi.
4,500
In South Africa. भाई.
Oh! Let's go!
10 किलोमीटर की तैयारी कर दो अर्जुन. क्या से क्या हो गया गाना हो जाए सागर शाह.
भाई मजाक था ना? अर्जुन को जीतना था हमको बस इसलिए
मैंने
बोल रहे थे हम ये
गेम
सब.
शुरू होने के पहले ही बोला अर्जुन जीतेगा आज.
हाँ पर हम तो जीतने के लिए वो लाइक
भाई भागना तो पड़ेगा
भागना
भाई
तो-
10
You
किलोमीटर.
भाई,
believe
आपने भी
you
अपनी-
believe in अर्जुन और not?
भाई एक काम
तूने
करते
believe किया
हैं.
कि
आप
नहीं?
8 कर लो, मैं 2 करता हूँ. चलेगा?
भाई
हाँ.
मैं 2.
आपको वो याद है क्या कि आपने बोला था आप जीएम के लिए ट्राई करोगे?
तो करूंगा ना भाई. तो करूंगा ना.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Insane. Man, what a day. What a day. Crazy man.